John Cristani here. An evergreen niche are products and services that don't go out of fashion, no matter what the political climate is, no matter what the economic climate is, no matter what everything else is going on. You can make tons of money and get that money sent to you, whether you're using affiliate programs or drop shipping or selling on Amazon. You can make money selling these products. And the three major evergreen opportunities are health, money, and relationships. These are things people have been buying from the dawn of time. And I'm going to be going over 100 years of ads in one particular niche that I've been making over $500,000 a month with. But the secret to why evergreen niches are so freaking powerful is that it's not just the niche that people buy products in. Again, people always want to make money. People always want to lose weight. People always want better relationships. It's the fact that the messaging actually doesn't change even over hundreds of years. And if you know the messaging that works in one of these spaces, you will be able to sell more products, more services, and earn more money in commissions directly to your PayPal or directly paid out to you weekly in the case of ClickBank, or paid out to you huge high ticket commissions in the case of my affiliate program every single month if you just know what the messaging is. Let's look at some weight loss ads throughout 100 years, and we're going to be looking at one of my ads, which I was earning over $500,000 a month with this ad. Then we'll go on to some ads just to show you how much the messaging changes over time. So, because again, my goal here is if you understand the secret to marketing, you will be rich. Let's go, and give me a like and a subscribe if you love this content. Let's play a game. Now, imagine for a second that you are a 43-year-old woman living somewhere in the suburbs of Des Moines, Nebraska. You have a husband, you have 2 kids, but you haven't been sleeping with your husband as much. You've put on a lot of weight since you've had those kids, and you aren't getting the same sort of attention or validation from people that you used to be getting when you were in your 20s and 30s. And again, you're not having as much bedroom fun with your husband. And these things are causing you to kind of doubt yourself, Now you're scrolling around on Facebook one day, just seeing what's going on. Maybe it's Facebook, maybe it's Instagram, but we're going to use Facebook. You're scrolling down Facebook and you see an ad. And the ad talks about a natural way to speed up your metabolism and burn weight off extremely quickly. Sounds pretty cool, right? You look at the ad, you notice it has a little bit of a scientific-y diagram. You can't really read what's going on, but it seems legit. And you click learn more. This is the start of the internet funnel I used. And this was the ad that I paid Facebook to put up millions and millions and tens of millions of times. And over 10 million people saw this advertisement. And this ad made me over $500,000 per month in income. It made me over $300,000 per month in profit. And that's what you see right next to me. This is roughly $300,000 of cash lying right next to me. This is because I tapped into an evergreen niche, or niche or niche. Let me know how it's supposed to be pronounced in the comments. And I tapped into a business model that allowed me to make as much money as I wanted to, which is called affiliate marketing. But this happened not because I'm necessarily a really good marketer or anything like that. It's happened because I understand the power of evergreen opportunities and how to make money from them. And the secret, which many people don't talk about, is that the messaging in these opportunities doesn't change. The same 43-year-old woman living in Des Moines, Nebraska, with 2 kids, was having the same thoughts and the same feelings that women 100 years prior to her were feeling after they put on some pounds, after they had their kids, okay? So these feelings are universal, and that's why evergreen niches are so powerful. When you're marketing people and helping them either lose weight or make more money or have better relationships, you're always going to have customers. But the key is knowing the messaging that works throughout time. And the study of messaging that works throughout time, no matter what, the science of marketing is called copywriting. And copywriting is a very powerful skill, which I teach in my training courses, and I have videos on YouTube talking about this. Let's go back in time a little bit and see what this ad looked like in 2000. Okay, here we go for an ad for Trim Spa, which is a company that did the same thing I do, which is called direct response advertising, where you buy ads for $1 and you sell products and make back $2. Okay, that's the business model I've been in for the last decade. And Trim Spa was able to do this in the 2000s and make $20 to $50 million per year. Amazing high-speed diet pill produces extremely fast weight loss. You can now purchase an all-natural weight loss pill. Now, do you notice the similarities between my ad and the ad from 20 years earlier, right? We have, it works fast, it's gonna lose you weight, it's all natural, etc. The main difference is, the main call to action is, on my ad, it's buying the product online, obviously, whereas in the old school days, it was calling a phone number, mailing something in. Let's go earlier though. Let's really prove this messaging works throughout the span of time. Okay, let's jump back 13 years to 1988 and check out this ad. Lose 10 to 20 pounds fast. Beverly Hills doctor will let you try it free. Recently developed all-natural diet pills. Unusually rapid weight loss. No other weight loss program would dare make this free trial offer. Call free. Again, very similar advertising, right? Talking about it's all natural, talking about you can try it free, which is the product I was selling as well. Showing that the person lost a lot of weight and that it works very fast, right? The same sort of benefits, same sort of headline. Let's jump back another 8 years. Extremely fast weight loss, incredible energy, 100% safe. It contains no drugs whatsoever. Act now. Simply fill out the 30-day risk-free trial survey and call the 800 number representative. Again, we're seeing almost the exact same messaging here. It's a weight loss, fast, and instead of the words all natural, they're saying it's safe and no drugs. And remember, this is 40 years ago. The whole, all natural thing wasn't as big in 1980. So we're seeing one kind of word get a little substituted in the parlance of the times. But folks, I could do this for hours, okay? Let's just go back 100 years and look at an ad from 1908. I can reduce your flesh. Would you like to reduce it by natural means in a scientific, dignified manner? I can reduce you and at the same time strengthen stomach and heart and relieve you of chronic ailments such as rheumatism, constipation, weak nerves, torpid liver, and at the same time give you strong circulation, strong nerves, strong muscles, good blood, correct breathing. Send 10 cents for instructions. Okay, so this ad is way over the line, right? You obviously in today's environment, you could never promise that a weight loss pill would actually also miraculously cure all of these chronic diseases such as rheumatism and whatnot. But the point remains, this ad from 1908 is promoting weight loss, it's promoting low price, it's promoting fast, and it's all natural. And we see these things throughout history. And the secret to making lots of money online, the secret to making huge commissions from affiliate networks or from Amazon or from social media is working in tried and true evergreen niches or niches, whatever it is, okay? Because people are always going to want to lose weight. There's always going to be women that are looking to be thinner. There's always going to be men that are looking to be more muscular. There's always going to be men and women looking for more wealth and better relationships. So you have huge markets that are never going away as long as human beings are not being uploaded into some computer virtual program and, walking around in augmented and virtual reality.
Like a robot.
Now, until that comes, I think we're all safe to sell products in these niches and make just tons of money. So let me know, what is your favorite niche to work in the comments below. I'd love to hear, are you more interested in selling products in the health niche, the money niche, or the relationships niche? Now, if you said wealth and money, okay, then I definitely encourage you to check out my affiliate program, which is John Crestani on ClickBank. It's called the Super Affiliate System. Or you could join my own ultra high ticket affiliate program, which is for experienced affiliates only. And there's links down in the description. We pay out $2,000 to $4,000 commissions per commission. Okay, so you get one click that turns into a sale, and we will be sending you $2,000 to $4,000 directly to your bank account or to Bitcoin. If you want your payment in crypto or to PayPal, we will pay you crypto, we will pay you PayPal, we will deposit it to your bank account. It doesn't really matter to me. And we've paid out over $4.5 million to different marketers that have been promoting my program so far. So thanks for watching. If you enjoy these videos, if you enjoy these breakdowns, make sure to let me know in the comments. If you have questions, discuss it in the comments. And if you want to learn more about marketing, I encourage you to check out these free traffic videos that I have showing you how you can get folks coming to your website and how you can get paid step by step, all on my computer for free. And if you're more interested in learning about my story and how I was able to kind of overcome failure and make a lot of money, you can check out these videos over here. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.